Hi viewers, shall we learn about some prepositions today? Okay, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word which shows the relationship between two objects indicating their position. Prepositions play a very important role in every sentence because they speak about the position of the object. There are some prepositions which shows about time. Shall we know about it? Okay. Let us take the prepositions at and in. Let us learn about the positions showing time. At and in. These are the two prepositions which indicate time. At is used to denote time. Look at the example. I reach my school at 7:30 a.m. every day. Look at the next sentence. He will come at Christmas. So here also at denotes the time. Now let us look at the preposition in. In is generally used to denote a specific time, period, month or a year. Now look at these sentences. I play cricket in the evening. So here in denotes the time. I visited Taj Mahal in the year 2019. So here also in indicates the time. Please note there is an exception. At is used with noon especially. He comes at noon for lunch. This is an exception used in case of at. Now let us analyze the prepositions on and by. On denotes the date and days. He was born on the 6th of September. Here on denotes the date. Look at the next sentence. I used to teach English grammar on every Friday. Here on denotes the day. If we take by refers to the latest time by which an action will be over. Now look at the sentence. The conference will get over by 4 p.m. That means the conference will get over by the time 4 p.m. So here by denotes the time. Now let us discuss about the prepositions for and since. The preposition for also denotes a period of time and it is used with the perfect continuous tense. So shall we see an example? So look at this sentence. I have been living in Chennai for the last 20 years. So here for denotes a period of time. Since shows the point of time. It also indicates continuity. So shall we see an example? India has been progressing since the year 1947. So it means that the progression is continuing. So here the preposition since indicates continuity. Now let us analyze another preposition from. From refers to the starting point of an action. He will join us from November 5th. Here, from refers to the starting point of an action. Look at this another sentence. We all run from pin to pole to meet our ends. So the preposition from denotes the point of action to be started. We all run from pin to pole to meet our ends. So from indicates the starting point of an action. Stay tuned for some more prepositions. Thank you.